Hello everyone, in this lesson I will show you all how to use the Magic Wand tool of Illustrator. Magic Wand is one of the selection tools that allows you to quickly select all of the similar objects at once. It's really useful when you have to edit colors or delete background colors because I can use the Magic Wand tool to quickly select the colors I want to change or delete. I'm going to select the Magic Wand tool from the toolbox and click the color in the image that I want to select in this manner with this tool. In this lesson, I will show you how to use the eraser tool of Illustrator. The eraser tool can be used to erase brush strokes, pencil paths, or vector shapes. After selecting the eraser tool, I'm going to customize the tool settings like size and hardness to get the effect I need. I'm going to drag this tool over the parts of the image I want to erase.